In this video, let's talk about the wheel spacers. Let's check it.
The main function of wheel spacers is to service the extension surface of the X-rotor, so as to extend the whole tire, provide more back spacing and correct the wheel offset, and also adjust the overall appearance of the vehicle. Hub-centric spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are hub-centric. Hub-centric wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced. Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.